Inutos na ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos na palakasin ang shipbuilding industry sa bansa. Samantala, tikumpa siya sa bali-balita tungkol sa binubuong Independent Commission na mag-iimbestiga sa flood control projects. Para bigyan ng mukha ang balita, Mobile Journal, Julie Baiza.
Today, we will begin reclaiming our rightful place among the world's great shipbuilding nations. I am excited to see where this endeavor will take us. Together, let us show the world that Filipinos have the skills, the vision to navigate the uncertain waters of an ever-changing world.
Yan ang binigyan diin ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos kasabay ng pangunguna sa inaugurasyon ng bagong HD Hyundai Shipyard sa Subic, Zambales ngayong umaga. Ang gusto ni PBBM, muling buhayin ang industriya ng shipbuilding sa Pilipinas para paluguin ang ating exports.
This means that we can accommodate vessels with higher volumes, boost our export potential, and create more jobs for our Filipino workers. By 2030, we look forward to this yard employing 4,300 Filipinos.
Dahil dito, pinaghahanda na rin ng pamahalaan ang mga kaukulang ahensya sa paghinang ng skilled workers.
Last November 2024, TESDA signed a memorandum of agreement with Hyundai to establish an off-campus training facility here in Subic. Through this partnership, 24 trainees have completed the flux cord arc welding NCI program and are now part of the Hyundai workforce. To train even more Filipinos, TESDA has awarded 25 more scholarship slots for shielded metal arc welding NC1 and 100 slots for enterprise-based training in flux cord arc welding NCI.
Makatutulong din daw ang muling pagbuhay sa shipbuilding enterprise para maisulong ang posisyon ng bansa bilang strategic hub sa maritime at industrial growth sa Asia-Pacific region. Matapos ang inaugurasyon, natanong din ng Pangulo tungkol sa ulat na bahagi na ng Independent Commission na mag-iimbestiga sa maanumalyang flood control projects si Baguio City Mayor Benjamin Magalong.
I don't want to talk about until buo na eh. Hindi pa namin nabubuo yung plano eh. But we'll talk about it. Malapit na yan. Very, very soon.
Kahapon, sinabi na ni PBBM ng Independent Commission ang magre-rekomenda ng susunod na aksyon ng palasyo para sa mga matutuklasang dawit sa korupsyon. Mobile Journal, Julie Baiza po, hatid ang mukha ng balita.